Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the platform's legal options: guest, demo, or public embeds. Once done, open a modern browser and enable cookies and JavaScript so interactive features work. Make sure to clear stale extensions that block content. They often prevent demos from loading. If a partner or embedded widget exists, use it. Those interfaces are designed to let you interact without a full account. You'll save time and remain within terms while getting immediate, limited access to the service's features. Once you've checked official options, explore sanctioned alternatives that don't require logging in. For example, use an official API demo or partner widget that exposes limited interactions. These are rate-limited but lawful. If you need information rather than interaction, rely on cached pages, RSS feeds, or archive snapshots for public content. Alternatively, run a local or open-source model on your machine for offline chats. This gives control and privacy. Make sure you finish by verifying whether the non-logged path meets your needs. If you need full features, consider creating an account. Once done, troubleshoot common issues. Disable ad or script blockers, update your browser, and clear caches before retrying a widget or demo. If a demo reports errors, consult the platform's official support or status page rather than using unofficial hacks. Make sure to prioritize legitimate methods. They protect your access and privacy and avoid risks from unauthorized bypass techniques.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.